Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Today is a fun day. I've got my bargain bead box for the month of March in the mail. In case you didn't know, Bargain Bead Box is a monthly subscription of beads and findings. It's $19.49 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. They have beautiful beads and findings. It's always curated around a different theme each month. And if you're a subscriber to the Bargain Bead Box, you get a 30% off coupon to use in Bead Box Bargains, which is their sister store, and you can use it as many times as you want to during the month. And they already have great prices. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I'm going to get all this sorted out, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out. This one is called the Art Deco Luxe Collection. I guess that's how you say L-U-X-E. It says, inspired by the glamour of the roaring 20s, this package includes black, gold, teal, and green tones with a touch of pearlescence. Black agate and onyx teardrops combined with agate beads, coated hematite. We especially love the chevrons. Lab-created shell pearls, sparkling crystal accents, and high-quality gold findings in Art Deco-inspired teardrop motifs. So that all sounds wonderful. They also talk on here about their contest that you can enter, where you can post the pictures of things you've made in their Facebook group and have a chance to win a $50 gift card to their Bead Box Bargain store. That would be very cool. This is the key on the back. There's 17 items, and it says approximate total retail value for this shipment is $74. So, I think I've got everything sorted out here. Let me get started. Let me get me a little dish here in case I need to put something in a little dish. Number one is an 8-inch strand of 5.5 by 6 millimeter hematite man-made coated chevron beads. These are really pretty, and I've never seen this shape before. I mean, I've never seen a bead this shape before, or I've never had a bead this shape before. These are really pretty teal color. And there's a lot of them on this little strand here. Let's see, number two is a 7.5-inch strand of 4 millimeter finely faceted hematite man-made AB rounds. These are really pretty, really sparkly. I really like these. Of course, I'm going to like everything, you know. I like everything in the Bargain Bead Box almost every time. Number three is a meter of 3 by 2 millimeter brass oval jewelry chain, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. And y'all have heard me talk about, I have quite a big stash of silver chain, but I don't have a lot of gold, so I really like getting this. These are very, very tiny little links. I'd have to use probably my thinner gauge jump rings to go in this, because I have those big, thick 18 gauge ones, and it's kind of hard to get them through some chain, little link chain, but this is really pretty. Number four is 50 pieces of 4 millimeter brass corrugated bicone spacer beads. I've never had any of these either. It's a tiny little bicone. I can get one up here on my finger without dropping it all over the place. The tiny little bicone. It's sort of flat. Kind of looks like a little flying saucer to me. These are really cool. I really like them, and I dropped him. I really like them. They'll be good little spacer beads. See, that's number four. Number five is a 7.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter white shell pearl man-made round beads. These are really pretty. I really love this coating they've got on them, and I know you see every time I pick up a strand of beads I look at the holes, but I like beads that don't have rough holes, and these look to be really good beads. They don't have rough holes, and they're really pretty. I just love that white, and it goes with so pretty with the gold and the black and everything. Number 6 is a 16.18 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass swirled teardrop toggle clasp. That's really pretty. I really like that. It's a tiny little clasp, but it's really pretty. Let's see now. Number 7 is a 28 by 15 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass filigree teardrop pendant. I can get this where you can see it. It's really pretty. It's got little hearts in there. And then the back is, it's different. It's not as smooth on the back. I guess that's the back. You could use either one you want for the back, I guess, whichever you like better. This side is more textured, and this side is smooth. So that's really cool. Number 8 is 2 pieces of 19.5 by 8 gold-plated brass filigree teardrop charms. Those are really pretty. They're hot. They're hollow inside, which most all filigree stuff is. Number 9 is a 16-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in jet gold. This is a long strand of beads. There's a lot of beads on here, and this is so pretty. Black and gold. Black and gold was my high school colors. And that was many, many years ago. But the black and gold together is so pretty. Number 10 is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter black agate dyed and heated round beads. These are really pretty gemstone. And again, all the holes look nice. They don't look rough or anything. They look to be very good quality gemstones. And again, a long strand, a lot of gemstone beads on that strand. Okay, number 11 is 4 pieces of 17 by 13 millimeter. Nope. 4 pieces of 17 by 11 millimeter stainless steel open teardrop charms, golden. These are very cool. They've got a little hole up at the top there. I guess if that little hole is big enough, we could dangle something from the inside of it there, and then add it to either maybe some earrings or something. Number 12 is a 15-inch strand of 8 millimeter glass pearl beads in teal green. And this is a long strand of beads. A very long strand of beads. And this is such a pretty green. And there I go again looking at the holes. But the holes look all look really, really good. They look like they're really good quality glass beads. Real pretty green color. And let's see, where am I at here? Number 13. 2 pieces, 17.5 by 13 millimeter onyx dyed and brass faceted teardrop charms. These are really cool. They're the same on both sides. And you could just pop them on some earring findings and have a little pair of earrings. Wouldn't be any problem at all. A very easy little pair of earrings. Let's see, number 14 is 10-piece strand 10mm crystal faceted barrel beads jet. I love the shape of the barrel beads, and these are so pretty. All the facets, they just shine. Sparkle and shine. I love all the sparkle and shine. Let's see. 15 is a approximately 37 by 21mm black agate dyed faceted teardrop pendant. That's cool. It's the same on both sides, and of course that would go perfect with those little teardrop charms that I just showed you. This make a necklace with this and then use those for earrings to match it. It's really pretty. Really pretty gemstone pendant. And then number 16 is a 7-inch strand of 10mm black and white agate dyed and heated faceted rounds. I think these are my favorite things in the whole box. I love it when gemstones are faceted. I love gemstones, and I love things that are faceted because it makes them sparkle and shine more. And these are just really, really pretty. They're all different, all unique colors, and the facets just make them so pretty. And then the last thing, number 17, is a 20-piece strand of 8mm crystal faceted drop beads in teal AB. I couldn't figure out why they call these. I thought at first these were just rondelles and they were calling them drop beads, but they are. They're flatter on the bottom than they are on the top, so they would be a drop bead there. And these are really pretty. They look like they're really good. Again, the holes are really good, and I love all those facets on them. They're so pretty. Okay, there it is all laid out. I think I got it all in the screen anyway. These are some really beautiful beads and findings. All the black and gold and the white, and then the little green in there to give it a pop of color. I think we can make some really pretty stuff from this box. If you decide that you want to sign up for the Bargain Bee box, if you're not already signed up, definitely take advantage of that coupon code. It'll save you $2 off your first box. As always, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care.